Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am a firm believer that you can never have too many ratchet straps.
Making sure you get your items securely from A to B is such a cinch with these grip ratchet straps. This is an 8-piece set. It comes with four 1x15 ratchet tie downs, as well as four soft loops. And I think my favorite part is these Velcro pieces that it comes with so you can keep your extra tail from flapping around and getting caught in things. These straps work so well. My other favorite part is this incredible S hook with the grip. So it clips right on to your anchor point and stays exactly where you put it. It's not going to fall out. I hate that when you go to clip in and it falls out in the meantime. That's not happening with these. They are super, super secure. They're rated for up to 1,800 pounds, and they even come in a easy little carrying case.
If you're looking for the perfect ratchet straps to help keep your items secure in transit, these are going to be the ones for you. I am in love, and that is my point of view.